To combat mold spores in your home, it's essential to reduce moisture and eliminate visible mold. Mold can trigger allergies and unpleasant symptoms, so proactive measures are key. Start by using mold removers for visible spots, particularly in damp areas like basements, and consider professional help for harder to clean surfaces. Air purifiers with filters can effectively capture airborne spores, while installing filters on air conditioning units and windows can prevent outdoor spores from entering. Natural remedies like vinegar, tea tree oil, and baking soda can also help eliminate mold without harsh chemicals. If mold persists, seeking professional remediation may be necessary. Additionally, using dehumidifiers to maintain indoor humidity below 50%, drying wet areas promptly, and regularly inspecting and cleaning air ducts will further reduce mold growth. Finally, monitor moisture-prone areas like basements and kitchens for leaks or spills to maintain a mold-free environment.